It all starts with the code. It doesn't look like much, just a few letters and numbers. But it's a very important code because it's about a person's health. It's about a pregnancy, a birth, a disease, an injury, an outbreak, a death. It's a code with a long and winding journey. It starts with one person in one hospital or clinic. But it doesn't end there. It joins up with other codes in databases in cities, regions, and countries. It becomes a small but important part of a big picture. It's used to monitor the health of populations large and small, to plan how services are delivered and resources are allocated, to help diagnose diseases and detect changing disease patterns. And where does this code come from? The International Classification of Diseases, or ICD. ICD is a common language used all over the world by doctors, nurses, policymakers, researchers, and many others to classify diseases and conditions so they have the best possible picture of everyone's health. Around the world, more than 100 countries use ICD to record the reasons people die, to monitor the health of their populations, and to help make financing decisions about their health systems. The world needs better health data, and ICD is delivering it. It's another way the World Health Organization is building a healthier world.